The SEHOMY folding electric scooter SE-450W is equipped with a powerful 450-watt brushless motor, providing a smooth ride and efficient performance for daily commuting. This scooter is designed with convenience in mind, featuring a foldable design that makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for those with active lifestyles. With a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour and a range of 20 miles, this scooter offers a reliable option for short trips to school or the office. The durable 12-inch pneumatic tires and double braking system ensure a safe and stable ride across various terrains, making it suitable for both urban and suburban environments. Assembly is straightforward with minimal setup required, as the handlebars simply need to be erected and the seat attached, making it user-friendly even for beginners. Additional features such as the front LED light, rear reflectors, and a spacious rear carry basket enhance both the safety and practicality of this electric scooter.